India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of history and my heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Kevin from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Now here to say international and national news. Iran versus Israel war updates. USA military says that refueling aircraft crashed in the Iran. National news. Supreme Court step into the safe of grills at the Campbell. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Varun Tej from Grade-VIII Cerulean. State news: 86% of LPG used in Telangana domestically. Problems in commercial supply said by Uttam Kumar Reddy. Sport news: Women's International Hockey Federation World Cup 2026 qualifiers conducted on 13 March 2026 Friday. Urega versus Australia. Urega defeated Australia with 3 points. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Today weather forecast is brought to you by P. Navneet Kumar Reddy of Grade-VIII Cerulean. Maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, precipitation 0%, humidity 38%, air quality is good. Thank you. That's the end of today's news bulletin.
If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. I repeat it again. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. It means if you want to shine in your life, first do hard work in your life. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
What is brought to you by Pratik from Grade-VIII Cerulean. Today's word: coach, someone who trains and guides players. Friends, please spell after me. Coach. C-O. S-C-H. Coach. I would like to say short speech on Coco. I play many games, but my favorite game is Coco. Coco is played in open field. Coco is a traditional old game of India. Coco also has one more name as Radera. In this game, there are two teams. One is chasing and running. Each team has 12 players, but 9 players are main players and 3 are substitution. While chasing, 8 players sits in 8 blocks by turning different direction. The 9th player is a bowler who always runs and out the opponent. Coco also helps us to learn discipline, and it helps us to learn leadership. Lastly, I want to conclude my speech by a sentence. Team SRV Coco champions are ready to shine. Thank you and have a nice day here. I'm K. Joshua of Grade-VIII Cerulean. I'm here to deliver a speech on Albert Einstein. Today, Albert Einstein's birthday. Albert Einstein was a famous scientist and physicist. He was also known as one of the greatest scientists in the world. Born on 14th March 1879, birthplace Germany, proficient theoretical physicist. He received Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1921. Thank you. GK questions are brought to you by Navneet of Grade-VIII Cerulean. Question for Grade 7. Who is the father of basketball? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Marjit Singh. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. In which year was the Basketball Federation of India formed? 1950. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 1950. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. In which year did India win its first Olympic gold medal in hockey? 1928. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 1928. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Open question number 1. What is another name of Coco? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Radera. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 2. Who is the famous volleyball player in India? Ajitla. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Ajitla. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 3. Who won the purple cap in 2026? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 4. Who won the orange cap in 2020? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is KL Rahul. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. That's the end of today's assembly.